Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Skinfix Moisturizer is probably one of the most sought-after skincare products on the market right now, and for good reason. This moisturizer has been making waves for its ability to deeply hydrate and nourish the skin, leaving it feeling soft, supple, and looking visibly healthier. Whether you're dealing with dryness, irritation, or just looking for a daily dose of moisture to maintain a radiant complexion, this product promises a luxurious and effective experience that caters to a variety of skin types and concerns, making it a standout in the crowded world of facial moisturizers. Number 5. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer. Discover the daily moisturizer designed for all skin types. It provides immediate comfort and long-lasting hydration without any fragrance. This face cream is formulated with ceramides and niacinamide to help repair your skin's natural barrier. Experience a healthier-looking complexion with consistent use. Whether your skin is oily, dry, or sensitive, this moisturizer is gentle enough for daily use. It effectively hydrates without causing irritation. Feel the difference from the very first application. It delivers instant relief and keeps your skin hydrated throughout the day. Enjoy the benefits of deep hydration without any added fragrance. It's perfect for those who are sensitive to scents. Incorporate this face cream into your daily routine for nourished and revitalized skin. It's the essential step for a comfortable and healthy complexion. What we like. This moisturizer is packed with ceramides and niacinamide to repair and strengthen your skin barrier. It's designed for all skin types and provides immediate comfort and long-lasting hydration. If you have sensitive or compromised skin and are looking for a gentle yet effective daily moisturizer, this is a great choice. What people say. This moisturizer is a game-changer for dry, sensitive skin. It absorbs quickly and leaves my skin feeling soft and hydrated without any greasiness. I love how this moisturizer calms redness and irritation. It's fragrance-free and gentle enough for daily use, making it perfect for my reactive skin. The texture of this moisturizer is amazing. It's lightweight yet deeply nourishing, providing long-lasting hydration throughout the day. Number 4. First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. Experience deep, lasting moisture with our Ultra Repair Cream. It's formulated to provide intense hydration for your skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Clinically proven to strengthen your skin barrier in just 7 days. This powerful formula helps fortify your skin's natural defenses against environmental stressors. Find relief from dryness and discomfort. It is designed to help soothe and calm skin prone to eczema, restoring a sense of comfort. Infused with whipped colloidal oatmeal, this cream offers a unique texture. It absorbs beautifully to nourish and protect your skin. Indulge in a luxurious moisturizing experience for both your face and body. This versatile cream is your go-to for all-over skin nourishment. See a noticeable difference in your skin's health. It works effectively to improve skin barrier function and hydration within a week. What we like. Formulated with colloidal oatmeal, this cream is clinically proven to strengthen the skin barrier and help relieve eczema. It offers intense hydration for both face and body. If you suffer from dry, itchy, or eczema-prone skin and need a deeply nourishing and restorative cream, this one is worth considering. What people say. This moisturizer is a game-changer for dry, sensitive skin. It's lightweight yet incredibly hydrating, and it doesn't cause any irritation or redness. I love how quickly this absorbs into my skin. It leaves my face feeling soft and smooth, without any greasy residue. It's perfect for wearing under makeup. The texture is amazing. It's creamy and luxurious, but it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It provides long-lasting moisture throughout the day. Number 3. TATCHA the Dewy Skin Cream. Discover the secret to a luminous complexion. This rich cream deeply hydrates and plumps your skin, leaving it feeling supple and refreshed. Experience unparalleled moisture that lasts. It quenches dry skin, providing essential hydration without feeling heavy. Achieve a fuller, more youthful appearance. This formula works to visibly plump your skin, smoothing fine lines and restoring elasticity. Shield your skin from environmental stressors. It creates a protective layer that helps maintain your skin's natural barrier function. Specially formulated for those with dry or combination skin types. It delivers the perfect balance of moisture and nourishment. Embrace the signature dewy finish. This cream provides a healthy glow, making your skin look and feel revitalized. What we like. This rich face cream delivers intense hydration, plumping the skin and protecting it from dryness. Its luxurious texture makes it a delight to use. If you have dry or combination skin and are looking for a dewy, hydrated complexion with a touch of luxury, this cream will be your new favorite. What people say. It is a good moisturizer that is not greasy and absorbs quickly. This moisturizer is great for sensitive skin and does not cause breakouts. It leaves my skin feeling soft and hydrated without any irritation. Number 2. Obagi Hydrate Facial Moisturizer. Experience deep, lasting hydration with our advanced facial moisturizer. It's designed to combat dryness and leave your skin feeling supple and refreshed throughout the day. Formulated with natural ingredients like terra seed extract, shea butter, and avocado oil, this moisturizer nourishes your skin effectively. Worry-free hydration. Our non-comedogenic formula ensures that it won't clog your pores, making it suitable for all skin types. Say goodbye to dry, uncomfortable skin. This powerful moisturizer works diligently to restore and maintain your skin's natural moisture barrier. Make it a part of your daily skincare routine. Enjoy the benefits of intensely hydrated skin, day after day. Achieve a smoother, healthier-looking complexion. Its rich formula provides the ultimate comfort and hydration for visibly radiant skin. What we like. Featuring terra seed extract, shea butter, and avocado oil, this moisturizer provides intense, all-day hydration. It's non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores. If you struggle with persistent dryness and need a deeply moisturizing formula that keeps your skin comfortable all day long, this is an excellent option. What people say. Applies easily, absorbs quickly, and long-lasting. My skin is very dry and this is the only moisturizer that doesn't make me break out while addressing my dryness. No scent, leaves skin soft and without shine all day. Number 1. The INKEY List Omega Water Cream. Experience a new level of lightweight hydration with our Omega Water Cream. It's designed to moisturize without feeling heavy on your skin. This oil-free face moisturizer is perfect for those who prefer a non-greasy feel. It absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling fresh and balanced. Enjoy the refreshing sensation of its unique gel texture. It provides a burst of moisture that revitalizes your complexion. Our commitment to ethical beauty means this product is vegan-friendly. Feel good about the skincare you're using. Specifically formulated to be suitable for blemish-prone skin. It helps to hydrate without contributing to breakouts. Infused with nourishing ingredients, it helps to support your skin's natural barrier. Achieve a healthier-looking complexion with every use. What we like. This is an oil-free, lightweight gel moisturizer that absorbs quickly without feeling heavy. It's also vegan-friendly and suitable for blemish-prone skin. If you have oily or acne-prone skin and prefer a light, refreshing moisturizer that hydrates without contributing to breakouts, this one is perfect for you. What people say. This moisturizer is excellent for sensitive skin and doesn't cause any breakouts. It absorbs quickly and leaves the skin feeling hydrated without any greasiness. The texture is lightweight and perfect for daily use under makeup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.